Well, good morning boys and girls. This morning, 2:15, I finally got this going in UGS. I'm doing a test pattern on this sacrificial board because it's actually too thick. I'm going to have to take it off and put something thinner on, and it's doing exactly what it should be doing. I found out why the motor wouldn't start. It was a setting in easel, and when it downloads the G code, the start-stop commands come from easel. They don't come from UGS. Now I said EGS in the last video. It's not. It's UGS. So there we go. We'll just see how this turns out. The main reason I'm cutting this is to check all the dimensions, because I've only got one piece of acrylic. It's expensive, and that's where we're going. I'll have a vacuum this up so you can see it. It's already done. I don't know why that's going there. It should finish that. Now this is going to be a screw hole to mount the plate, and that's going to be a recess. I've only just made that quite shallow just to speed this up. I don't know why it's only, that should be a full circle. No. We'll find out. Alright, that's today's effort. I finally got it working, but I won't be cutting that acrylic for a few days yet. I've got other work to do. Alright, hope everyone has a good day. Bye. Right, multiple cock-ups in here, but never mind. Good morning, boys and girls. I had a problem. It was only cutting half a circle when it got up to this part here. I had no idea why, and then I got back in the easel, and for whatever reason, it would only do half. So I redid it, so to include both files in here. So that's what I'm aiming for, and this is just a test cut. And the idea of it is to test these dimensions to make sure they're right, particularly these middle ones. The smaller one's got to be 30mm and the outside one's got to be 35. They've got to be bang on, and I think they will be. So I'll get UGS going, and then we'll come back and start this thing. Well, we're doomed. This just says it all, doesn't it? I started that cutting. It did 2 holes perfectly. When it came to do the circles in the middle, it failed. And the reason it failed is this stepper motor failed to index this down to do the cut. And then I cancelled it. I tried to make it go up and down, and it didn't. I found the screws loose on the coupling again. I don't know what's going on with this. This piece I didn't assemble, so I'm going to strip it and find out what's going on with it. But that's weeks away now. I've got no more time for this. Right, I managed to get this apart. This screw in here was jammed up. I don't know why. I pulled the whole thing apart. There's no rubbish in it. I give it a squirt of WD-40 and worked it backwards and forwards, and that cleared it up. Managed to get it apart. Not the easiest thing. The screws that hold this in, they're diabolical to get at. Not going to be easy to get it back together. I think the other main problem is this coupling is not set up correctly. That should be onto that lead screw all the way, and then this goes into there like that, but it wasn't. Alright, we'll get this back together eventually, and we'll see what happens.